Can you see yourself in the 2022 Ford Bronco Sport? With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a rugged Bronco Sport that offers attractive styling, fuel efficiency, all-weather capability, ample cargo space, modern connectivity, and impressive safety features. Let the adventure begin. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, keyless start. Feel prepared for whatever the road has in store in this well-equipped Bronco Sport. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.